How you guys doing? It's really great to see you, at least on the video. And hopefully you can reach out to us as will be reaching out to you in the next couple of days and weeks to give you some news, invite you to some events and parties and everything else. But right now, the most important thing is being April. Not only is my birthday month, but at the same time, we have the opportunity to help you if you need some assistance on making sure that you can fight and protest your taxes so your property taxes don't go higher and you don't have to pay more money than you should. And you have been receiving notices in the mail from El Paso Central Appraisal District that says that your value is going to be X for this year. And if you accept it, they say like, okay, my house was worth 400,000, now it's worth 500 or 600,000. Everybody gets excited because they say, oh my goodness, my property went up in value. And if I sell it, I make a lot of money. But it has nothing to do with market value in reality as far as like supply and demand and everything else. They just tell you in the past what it has been and what they estimate that is going to go up. And then they're trying to get for you to pay more money by accepting that the value is higher. So if you want to fight it and if there's a way that you can actually get it lower, do it, okay? And if you have any questions, just let us know. But I'm going to explain you exactly how it looks like. Some people, everybody gets a letter in the mail, and then sometimes you throw it away because you don't know what it is, and then you're like, oh, this is nothing, right? This is junk mail. But in reality, sometimes you say, okay, the city is telling you 2025, my value is this much. In 2026, the value is going to go more. And then if you say, I'm okay with it, then that's it, nothing happens, or you just miss the deadline, and then you cannot do anything until next year. So this form, if you didn't find it right now, you can go ahead in your mail or in your house, you can go online, and you can go to EPCAD.org, El Paso Central Appraisal District.org, search. You type in your property address right there, it gives you the information, and then from here, it goes into the property, the values, the taxes, all of that stuff. But right here on the top right corner, it says property services. So you click on property services and it gets you here where you can see the notice of value and you can download it online. Now, right here, you'll see that, for example, in this property, they're saying last year, 2025, the property was taxed on 422. And now, this year, we want to get it on 447. So they're trying to get you to pay more taxes, right? So if you say, okay, my property went in value, I'm fine. But if you say, no, I'm going to fight it, then right here, they give you all the instructions on how to do it. And you can also do it online. And pretty much what you go here is that on this section, there's like protest center. You go there, you download the form, and you do all the paperwork and the worksheet and everything else. And then you also get the results right there. But right here, just to give you an idea, when you get the form is owner's notice to protest. So you do the protest, you fill this up, and then you fill the year, and then the account number and everything else. If you're over 65 or this, your name, address, email, phone number, blah, blah. And then you say why and how much you want it to be worth it. And then you click on this one that says incorrect appraised market value and or values unequal compared to other homes. So now you have to do a little bit of homework. And you got to get to fill out this worksheet, that this form, you start putting all the information right here in homes that sold around you. And then you got to find that detail and then do a little bit of math. Okay. Everybody's cool with math, right? Or use Excel. And then you put all the information. And once you get the information right here, it throws in a number. And this number, you put it on the next step. You calculate all this mess. And once it gives you like a medium average kind of thing ratio, and that one you multiply for the number that you want, and then it's going to give you, I want my home to be 418 instead of being 633. And if you have enough evidence and information, you make it work, and if your math was accurate, then you can get it lower. So that's simple, you can get it done, and that's it. Let us know how it went. Just kidding. We can help you get this done. And at the same time, a lot of this information, you might not find it online because it's not public record. So we can help you do a study, figure out if there's some homes that we can actually use for this, and then you can lower your taxes. We can fill out some of these forms, make it work for you. At least do the initial assessment to see if it's going to work or if it's going to be even worth it to do the protest. And once you get it all done, then that's something that we submit, and then you get it on your system. You type it in, just the basic info, send it over, and then you'll get a response in about 30 days or so. And if it didn't work out like that, you go to the hearing. You can do it in person, you can do it online, like I said, but the most important thing is that you got it done. So you are our client for life. So we're helping you through all this process, through all navigating through all real estate and sometimes non-real estate related topics, right? But people call us because they know that you're our client for life and we're our real estate professional for life as well. So not only before you start looking for a home and then you're getting pre-approved, we help you with that process, and then buy the home and the whole process, negotiations. If you want to sell your home, you know you can count on us because we'll get you top dollar for it. But the most important thing is that all of these processes and things like this, we do it for you on a regular basis. And sometimes you reach out, and we're so grateful that you can refer us to all your friends, family members, coworkers, and they say, hey, David, so-and-so is buying a home, so-and-so needs to sell. Hey, this guy wants to get like a building for their practice or their business. And right now they're renting and they need to buy like a commercial building, help them out. Or I need to refinance and rates are lower. Can we lower my payment? Can you help us and point us in the right direction? So we do all of that, and our business grows thanks to you, thanks to recommendations, and because we actually take care of you the same way that you take care of us. So let us know if you need some help. Let us know if you got that letter. Go online to all the information is going to be here, and you can listen to this video, and then you can find out in EPCAD.org where it is and how to get there, or just give us a call. We'll be super excited to say hi, but at the same time to help you, and looking forward to actually do more business with you, with your friends, your family members, but at the same time taking great care of you the same way that you take care of us. Okay, have a good day.